Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel order and refund on Temu. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Temu application. So once you have opened up, make sure you log into your account. So once you're already logged in, so what you're going to do now here is click on the tab, on the U tab here. So click on it and then click on your orders. So you want to cancel something that you have already placed the order. Once the order has been placed, so what are you going to do? Go to the processing tab. So that's where your orders that has been placed will be. So now select the order that you want to cancel. Just select it, and then what you're going to do here, if you go back, there will be an option called cancel item. So simply click on cancel item. Alright, so once you click on cancel item here, this will now initiate the process. So now select the product that you want to cancel. So these ones, I've selected that. So alright, so I'm going to select cancel. So now you're going to put a reason. So you can just choose any of these reason here. Alright, so you can choose that. Okay, so you can say, okay, I found something, just write something. Alright, so anything, just choose whatever that suits you. So you can just I'll just choose this one. Price is too high, I found an alternative. That's fine. Okay, and once you're done with that, hit on next. Okay, so what happens? So here they will ask you, so if you want the refund to be credited to your original payment method or to your Temu balance, so either one of these. So you can if you want it to be to return it to your original payment method, so you can just select that, your original payment method. I paid using PayPal, so I'm just using that. And once you're done with that, hit on submit, and it's asking for a confirmation, and say yes, submit, and then then click on confirm. And then this cancellation can't be undone. So would you like to cancel? This is a final confirmation. Yes, cancel item. Just tap on cancel item, and then that should be, yep, so my refund is now being under processed. All right, so you can always come back to this orders page and then check the status of your refund as well. So it says my refund is under process, and it should get refund shortly. So yep, and it says now my refund, since it's a PayPal payment, my refund has been issued now. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.